Are you struggling to find time for your self-care practice? In this fast-paced world that we live in, sometimes self-care can be something that we feel like it's a luxury and we can't afford it or we don't have time to it. But remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's essential part of your well-being journey. So if you're struggling to find the time for your small, not so long self-care beauty routines during the day, I would like to help you and give you some tips to make it easier and manageable. So I want to add first that in this video I'm talking about kind of the beauty routine, because self-care has many faces and dimensions. It can be meditating, going for a walk, reading a book, having a nice cup of tea, like whatever for you. But now I want to talk about your beauty routine. So my first tip is split the face care routine. I mean, life can be unpredictable, and sometimes a full long routine might not fit into your schedule. So don't worry, you can still just do it while breaking it to small pieces, let's say. So if you feel like you have more puffy face in the morning, so take 2 minutes to do a lymphatic massage using your jade roller, for example, and your gua sha, like for 2 minutes. If you feel that at night, like you had a long day, stressful day, you can enjoy your own relaxing massage for a little bit for the shoulders, for the chest and the neck, and like just give yourself this attention and using something nourishing, some kind of oil like the night serum or anything you use at night. So we separate it to a short lymphatic massage on the face in the morning and more like a little bit upper body massage in the evening. My second tip is start with small inputs. So, they say Rome wasn't built in one day, and neither your self-care routine. So begin with just 5 minutes extra in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening, 3 times a week. Yeah, and then you actually want to elongate it to 5 times a week. Feel free to introduce like other face care modalities that you like a 2 minute of the gua sha, or 2 minutes facial cupping. Remember, progress is a journey. So like try to start small so it doesn't intimidate you. And I'm not talking about your regular skincare routine, the basic cleanse, hydrate, sun protection, etc., but more like the things that will bring extra to your beauty routine. Number 3, you can also block time in your agenda if you feel that you need to this 5 extra minutes, because sometimes our calendars can overwhelm us, but it doesn't have to. And if you run your day with your to-do list or your calendar, you can add these 5 minutes of prioritizing yourself into that. The fourth one, and probably the most important one, is work on your mindset. Remember this feeling after like a workout or dancing or something, that you maybe didn't feel like doing it, but after that you felt amazing. So it will feel the same after you gave yourself another 5 minutes of self-care. An extra gentle touch stimulate release of oxytocin, the love hormone, and endorphin, like the feel-good hormones. It promotes relaxation and reducing stress and enhance your mood. So try these 4 tips and know in your mind that it's easy for you to implement new routines to your beauty routine, and see how it goes. And I'm here for any advice and question and support.